In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube scripts using Grok, Fast Workflow 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn an idea into a clean, ready-to-record script in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head over to grok.com. Any modern browser works, but for the smoothest experience, keep it updated. Landing on the site brings you straight to Grok's interface, which is designed to get you creating right away. You can use Grok without signing in, but logging in is helpful if you want your chats, custom instructions and drafts to be saved automatically. It's quick to do, and it keeps your progress in one place so you can return to it later. As always, avoid sharing private information in prompts. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI front and center. Think of this as your writing partner. The layout is simple. The conversation area shows your past messages and Grok's responses, and the main action happens in the chat bar at the bottom. In the center, you'll find that chat bar. This is where you tell Grok what you want. The clearer you are, the better the results. A good starting prompt might be something like, create a YouTube script about beginner-friendly video editing tips. Aim for 3 minutes, friendly tone, hook, intro, 3 main tips with quick examples, and a concise outro. If you already have a topic outline, paste it in. If you have visuals or a thumbnail concept, you can mention it for context so the script sets up those moments naturally. Type your request and hit enter. Grok will generate a structured script with sections, transitions, and pacing. If you want a particular style, educational, storytelling, high energy, say so. You can also ask for timestamps, a hook that grabs attention in the first 10 seconds, or a call to action that matches your channel's voice. If the first draft isn't quite your style or feels light on detail, don't start over. Iterate. Ask Grok to expand a section with a practical example. Simplify jargon, make the tone more energetic or more professional. Shorten the runtime or add clearer transitions. Follow-ups like tighten the intro, add a stronger hook with a surprising fact, or rewrite the outro to encourage comments will refine the result quickly. Keep nudging until the pacing, tone, and detail match your brand. That's the fast workflow. Visit Grok, optionally log in to save progress. Describe exactly what you need in the chat bar, and iterate until it's publish ready. With a focused prompt and a couple of quick refinements, you'll have a polished YouTube script in minutes.